Good morning. Cup of cold coffee. Oh, still does the trick. Right, just gonna go over a little bit of glitter on the lips. You can apply the glitter gel straight to the wet lipstick. I tend not to because it isn't as effective as giving it a base of the iridescent white that I use. So if I can actually show you that technique, Get Gorgeous. That's the one I use, just from a local shop. So that's sticking quite nicely to the wet lipstick. It's a little bit on the top as well, just to give a contrast. There we go. So, and then from a previous video, nice, reasonably priced, $5.99 pack of glitter gels. So I've just gone for let's see what, sort of the whitey one, sort of a silvery colour. All depends what you're trying to do with your makeup. So if you're going for a more of a brown tone or a dark tone, you change it for whatever you fancy. There we go. Now that is proper glittery. Very, very glittery. So now you can appreciate how the iridescent white on the wet lipstick created a base. On goes the glitter, because the glitter gel invariably, nearly all the ones I've ever known, has got a translucent, transparent sort of a gel glue base. So if you just put it straight on the lipstick, it wouldn't be that eye-popping. Now, smallest amount of loose powder. And we're set. So in a moment, I'm just going to finish off a little bit around the eyes and the other eyebrow, obviously, and some eyeliner. But then I'm going to go straight onto using glitter gel for the eye. So I'm going to complement the two, and I'll come back in a second and show you the result of that. Here we are, back again. Got two eyebrows this time. Oh dear. Let's do that again. Got two eyebrows. Right. Back with the glitter gel. So as you can see, just done some brown on the socket line. And before I go with the eyeliner, so avoid stabbing yourself in the eye. Get that glitter gel down. The weather is nice and cool and fresh today, and we're not melting. always good for makeup. There we go. And the other eye. Oh, that's quite a bit. That happens sometimes. Yeah, quite a bit. Big lump fell there. So just a light brush and flick it off. There we go. So what I'll do, finish off the rest of the eye makeup and show you the finished result. So again, it was just that fairly cheap glitter palette on that one. I'll see you in a moment. Well, hello. The magic hairdresser has been. She's fantastic. Absolutely love her. What she does with my hair, absolutely beautiful. She's cut me in a fringe. So, own hair there. Some extensions at the back, but all that, all mine. Absolutely love it. So, as you can see, glitter on the lips, glitter on the eyeballs, and to finish it off, hair glitter. Now, my hairdresser has already put glitter in my hair, but via, was it $1.99 for sparkly glitter, and she just sprinkles it on with the hairspray. So hairspray first, sprinkle it on. This is a larger grain glitter than the one in the can. This one's just from again, just your local makeup stores, but the ones in the can, so a bit on the face as well, and the arms. So you can see the arms really. There you go. So fully glammed up. So if you're going out for a big night out and you want to absolutely look the part, glitter all the way. For me, silver works the best. It suits my tone, colour, the outfits I wear. But you can get glitters in pretty much most colours. You know, the usual suspects of gold mixed pinks and stuff like that. So, you know, just go out and enjoy yourself and just look as glamorous as you can and impress everybody and enjoy yourself. So until the next video.